Gina with WTI. Are your cats or kittens starting to destroy your house because they're bored and getting into everything that they shouldn't? They're gonna love playing hide and seek and pouncing on this little fluttering butterfly with this amazing interactive toy from FOR PAWS. This is a really simple but totally engaging toy. It is so much fun to watch the cats try to catch the little whirligig thing at the bottom as it spins around, and it stops and changes direction, which really keeps them interested and wondering what's going to happen next. The flutter butterfly on top is so cute, and it's really nice if you have multiple cats because then you can keep more than one entertained with the same toy at the same time. The fabric covering the toy is lightweight and washable, which is a total plus, especially if you have kittens that maybe haven't figured out exactly how to use the litter box yet. You can clean up after them and it's no big deal at all. My cat and my friend's foster kittens are totally sold on this toy. So if you're looking for that super simple to set up and to use toy that's going to keep everyone occupied, this is the one to go for, and that's my point of view.